How to check your process repeatability. How can you know that your ultrasonic bath efficiency did not deteriorate over time? Because of natural fatigue of the transducers, the bath efficiency deteriorates, and by that, the cleaning process will take longer to get to the same results. MRC has developed a product which can detect loss of ultrasonic energy with periodic reading, calculate best workloads, and even determine most efficient baskets and work fixtures. This is the cavitation meter. Look at this bath. Look at the differences in the energy in the middle of the bath, on the sides, in the depth. By that, you can do a periodical check of energy uniformity at different places and depth of your bath.